This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Jones. New home by Sasser Construction at the Landings at Bennett, S Creek. Last chance to own a new home in the Landings, a unique 55-plus waterfront community. Enjoy top quality features and low maintenance, almost move-in ready. Custom-built home by Sasser Construction. Special features include main floor living, open layout, and hardwood floors throughout on first floor. The vaulted great room offers a stone fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and access to a covered side porch. The gourmet kitchen boasts a gas cooktop, wall oven/microwave, granite counters throughout, an oversized center island. The luxurious primary suite includes a ceramic tile shower and a spacious walk-in closet with custom shelving. Located near the Bennett's Creek Marina and quality dining. June 4, 2025 for more information.